Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today you are going to learn lesson number 4. Madani Qaida lesson number 4. Let's learn the rules first. Number 1. Read this lesson rawa, that is without spelling. That means you have to read this lesson without spelling. For example, look at the first line. So you have to read like ta, ti, tu. Don't read with spelling as ta, zabar ta, zir, ti, as you read in lesson number 3. No. You have to read this lesson without spelling. Like ta, ti, tu. Like that. Next rule. Take special care in pronouncing the harakat correctly. As you learned in lesson number 3, the harakat are pronounced in Arabic accent without stretching and suddenly pausing the voice. So you have to take special care even in lesson number 4. Do not stretch harakat, do not read with sudden pause. Next rule. Differentiate clearly between the letters that are qaribus sawt, that is, the letters that sound somewhat similar. Next rule. Qaribus sawt letters are 16. They are ta, to, za, zal, do, tha, sin, sod, dal, dod, kaf, qof, ha, ha, hamza, ain. So you have to differentiate clearly between these qaribus sawt letters. For example, look at the first bracket. You can see 2 letters in this bracket, ta and to. So the letter ta with the 2 dots is pronounced with normal voice, like ta, and the other to is pronounced with thicker voice because it is from mustalia letters like to, and this is the difference between ta and to. Look at the next bracket, za. Za is pronounced with whistle sound, like za, with whistle sound. And next letter is zal. Zal is pronounced without whistle sound, like zal. This is the difference between za and zal. Next letter is lo. Lo is also pronounced without whistle, but with thicker voice. And this is the difference between zal and lo. Look at the next bracket. Tha. Tha is pronounced without whistle sound, like tha. And next letter, sin, is pronounced with whistle, sin. This is the difference between tha and sin. The next letter is sod. Sod is also pronounced with whistle sound, but with thicker voice because it is from mustalia letters. So this is the difference between sin and sod. Look at the next bracket. Dal. Dal is pronounced with normal voice, and the next letter dod is pronounced with thicker voice. Next bracket, kaf is pronounced with normal voice, and qaf with 2 dots is pronounced with thicker voice because it is from mustalia letters. And this is the difference between kaf and qaf. Look at the next bracket, ha. Ha is pronounced from the bottom part of your throat, and ha is pronounced from the middle part of your throat. And this is the difference between ha and ha. Look at the last bracket. Hamza is pronounced from the bottom part of your throat, but ain is pronounced from the middle part. And this is the difference between hamza and ain. So in this way, you have to differentiate clearly between these qaribus sawt letters, these letters, the letters that sound somewhat similar. Let me teach you line 1 and 2, and you have to read rest of the lines by yourself according to these rules. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ta, ti, tu. To, ti, tu. Za, zi, zu. La, zi, zu. Sallu ala al-Habib. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.